Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host, Marian Honor, and today we'll be playing a little matchmaking game called Pusuan or Laruan!
Di tayo iwan, di pa pabayaan. Pero wala ka na naman, at di ko maintindihan. Kung wala nang ganog ng magpaasa, dahil ako'y nasasaktan, ginagawa mo akong lalaruan. Hey, do-do-do-do-do-do, lalaruan. Hey, do-do-do-do-do-do.
Here's how the game works. As you can see, we have a lineup of gorgeous single ladies over here, and we'll also be bringing out some sexy single bachelors one by one. So, kung napupusuan niyo ang ating sexy single, feeling niyong magva-vibe kayo, or interested pa kayo sa mga sasabihin niya, do not pop your balloon. Pero kung feeling niyo hindi niyo siya masyadong vibe or hindi kayo magma-match, you can go ahead and pop your balloon. Are you ready, singles? Alright, let's play Pusuan or Laruan! Here comes our first sexy single. Hi! Hello. So, what's your name and how old are you?
Hi, I'm Carlo. I'm 25.
Okay. And anong job mo or what do you do for a living?
I'm a business owner and I'm currently taking a master's in business administration.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And ano namang hobbies mo or what do you like to do for fun?
I got a lot of hobbies. I love to sing. I love to dance. And I'm also into little nerdy stuff. Like I love to 3D print and also play D&D.
Okay.
So, yeah.
And ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Pwedeng personality traits or physical traits?
I think a priority for me would be someone who's very kind, kind to other people, especially, just generally being kind to others. Yeah.
Ano namang mga deal breakers mo or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
I think a main deal breaker would be not getting along with my mom.
Okay.
I'm a very mama's boy, so
Alright.
It's important to me that relationship is valued.
Alright, so right now, wala pa nagpa-pop sa ating lineup. So it's up to you. The floor is yours. I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
I already knew this was going to be difficult. And for going off of just pure vibes, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
Alright, so let's start over here. So what's your name, how old are you, and anong job mo?
I'm Cristel, 26. I'm a social media manager.
Okay, and ba't di ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Wala lang, gusto ko lang malaman more about him.
Pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
Oh, why not?
Okay, and how about on your end? Bakit siya napili mong ipop?
Well, first of all, it was very difficult. They're all very beautiful, so it was hard to just, pick. She's very neat, presentable, but then I think it was just, I was trying to make eye contact with everyone to see if there would be a spark, and I just didn't feel that. But I think you're very neat, very presentable. I love your dress.
Okay, do you have any response to that?
No response.
Okay, and let's go over here.
Michelle, 29, and I work in an insurance company.
And ba't di ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Same with Cristel. I wanted to get to know him muna bago ako mag-pop ng balloon.
Pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
Okay lang.
And how about on your end? Bakit siyang napili mong ipop?
I think it was same thing. It's hard to pick off of just gut feel. So I kind of just tried to make eye contact and see if there was any of that spark.
May na-feel ka bang spark with him?
Spark at first sight. Parang hindi naman ako nag-aano sa ganun. I mean, hindi ako nagbe-base masyado sa spark. Yeah, it's more of a connection for me. So
Okay, so right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balloons left. So now I'd like you to ask a question to help you narrow down your choice.
All right. My question would be, if you had 24 hours to spend 1 million pesos, what would you spend it on and why?
I'm Roslyn, but my friends call me Earl. I'm a project manager in a BPO. I handle 7 sites, so yeah, I can think we can match. No, just kidding though. But yeah, if I have 1 million pesos, I'm gonna buy a lot because I believe that lot is an asset. An asset, it means that as the years goes by, yeah, the value appreciates. So I really wanted to make sure that when I retire working, I have something that I can, rely on. So, and I guess it's a lot.
Hi, I'm Nicole, 28 years old. I'm a freelance advertising specialist. So if I have 24 hours, it would be I love traveling kasi, so I would travel a lot with my friends and family. Yun lang. Sige, pala.
Hi, I'm Pat, and I'm 27 years old. Currently, I'm a PR manager for an agency, so doing advertisements, events, ganon. So, if ever that I have 1 billion,
1 billion.
I wish I had. I wish I had, no. First, I would be buying a lot, and I'll be buying also insurance, and also maybe I want to donate some because right now I don't have the capacity to do so. But if ever that I have that sum of money, then I would love to donate some.
Hi, my name's Alyssa. I'm 26 and I work as a content creator. Is it possible if I can ask you a question back?
Sure, yeah.
The 24 hours that I will be getting that money, does that mean that the money will disappear or?
Yeah, it's gonna go away after, so you have to spend it.
Okay. Then if that's the case, half of it I'll spend for my family and I, probably to eat at a good place, travel somewhere with my friends. The other half, this is kind of hard. So if I invest on it, it will disappear.
Yes, yeah.
So it's useless to be investing on it. Then I will probably give some of it to some of my friends, some of my relatives, and then probably the last 20 to 30% for donation.
Hi, I'm Shane. I'm 27 years old. I'm an casino dealer. So to answer your question, so half of it, syempre sa family ko, for myself, for leisure, to travel. And then half of it, siguro I will spend it sa mga charities and shelters, especially sa mga education system sa province. Yeah, so.
Hi, my name is Lyra, 30. I'm an HR business partner in a BPO company. So if I were be given 1 million pesos to spend it to for 24 hours, I would spend it to something where I can spend a precious time as my loved ones, because we all know that time is the most priceless thing that we can have in this world. That would be all. Thank you.
So, based on those answers, I would like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Again, this is very difficult. They all kind of give similar answers.
Okay.
So, people talking about spending time with their family, which is, kind of what I was looking for.
Okay.
So if I had to, I'm sorry.
All right. Okay, so let's start over here. So, bakit di ka nagpapagad ng balloon?
Wala naman. wala pa akong
Wala na.
feelings. Wala pa.
Okay, pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
Okay naman.
And how about on your end? Bakit siya yung napili mong ipop?
I think, well, first of all, I don't like traveling.
Okay.
That's just a B thing. And I think I'm the only person I know who's
All right, so you
who's
just like
that.
staying
Exactly.
at
Just staying
home or
rooted,
here,
staying
okay.
home. And I think her first part of her answer was already for traveling. And I don't think there was a focus to family and friends there. So that's why I
Do you have any response to that?
Wala naman.
Aside from that, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Oh, yes, of course. I find her very pretty.
Okay, and one more over here. So, bakit di ka nagpapagad ng balloon?
Because I wanna hear more from him first before I decide to pop.
Pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yeah, he's attractive, but he's too young then for me. Since he's 25, correct?
Yes, 25, yeah.
How about on your end? Bakit siya napili mo ipop?
I think I was looking for more depth in the answer, like more details. It was still a great answer, focusing on friends and family, but I was just hoping for more detail. And then also, like what she said, the age then, like the gap.
Do you have any response to that?
No. None.
Yeah, I think we're in agreement.
Pero aside naman doon, you're
Yeah.
aligned. Pero aside from that, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yeah. Well, I think as a friend, I think we'd be good friends. I can already tell.
My younger brother.
Ganyan.
Okay. So right now, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4 balloons left. So I'd like you to ask another question to help you narrow down your choice.
For my next question, in terms of love language, what is your number 1 love language, both giving and receiving?
For me, it's quality time po. So that's non-negotiable for me, quality time. Kasi I know a lot of people will say that they love other kind of love language. But for me, kasi time is really important and valuable. And you have to spend it with your loved one or someone you love. Kasi we don't know kung until when tayo mabubuhay in our lifetime. So yeah, that's really for me. And me as a project manager, sometimes I travel pero I travel for work. But whenever I am not home, I love reading books. So maybe that's Netflix and chill, ganyan. So yeah, those, yung something na pwede niyong gawin even though kasi sometimes I don't like going out. Sometimes I love going out naman. There's like mood. Pero whenever I have a partner po, it's always non-negotiable that every Sunday we have to bond. At least like we have to do dinner or yeah, I'm gonna cook for him and yeah, bond with the family of my partner.
Okay, so for me, on the receiving end, I would really appreciate it if it's quality time because for me, we can get caught up with the hustle and bustle of every day. We have work, and if someone gives me time, I'll really appreciate it. And on the giving side, for me, I really love doing acts of service because for me, I don't mind like cooking for someone, like imagining and then working on having a good home with him, hopefully in the future. Don't get pressured though. But that's it, yeah.
Hi, for me, both receiving and giving are acts of service. I really like sharing things with my partner and to be able to do things with him and vice versa. So I would appreciate it if we both have acts of service for each other.
Hi. So for my giving, it's quality time. So I really like to spend time together with my partner. Parang kahit saan pa yan, kahit walang ginagawa. As long as we're together, I'm good. And yung receiving ko is acts of service. I really like to be treated like, you know, a princess. Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
So based on those answers, I would like you to choose 2 balloons to pop. All right. So let's start over here. So bakit di ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Kasi I don't want to judge him with the few questions and answers. So you don't get to know the person with those naman kasi. So yeah, I didn't pop the balloon. And he's really attractive.
Type mo naman din sana siya.
Yeah. But yun nga, 25.
All right. And how about on your end? Bakit siya yung napili mong i-pop?
First of all, I just want to say I find you very interesting. I love the tattoos and the get-up. But I think we're best. I see you as like a best friend kind of thing, or like yeah, exactly. So,
do you have any response to that?
No naman po. No question, no answer, no response at all.
Yeah.
So hindi mo siya type in a romantic sense, more of as a friend.
Yes, as a friend.
Okay. What gave off that vibe?
The tattoos. No.
Oh, okay.
No, not really. I think just how she talks and how she presents herself. I see her and I maybe like, you know, going to a bar, getting drinks, and then talk, you know?
Okay. And let's go over here. We'll get back to you later. So, bakit di ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
I want to get to know him more. Tsaka he's attractive naman.
So, type mo sana siya?
Yes.
And how about on your end? Bakit siya napili mo i-pop?
I think what stood out to me was she wanted to be treated like a princess, which is deserved. Tama naman. But I think right now, just not that I can't live up to the expectations, but yeah, I am on the younger side right now, so I kind of want to hustle more on my career before I can be able to give that princess treatment that you know someone like her would deserve.
Do you have any response to that?
Valid reason naman.
Yes. Pero aside from that, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yes, I find her very attractive. Yeah.
All right. Well, maybe in the future. After here. So, I heard a pop balloon over here. Ba't bigla ka nag-pop ng balloon?
I didn't want to give him a hard time choosing. I think they would be better suited for each other.
What?
Uy, bawal yan ah. Bawal yung reto-reto. Pero yun lang ba yun?
And also, honestly speaking, when he mentioned Mama's Boy earlier, I was a little bit contemplating. I really love to get along with my partner's mom and parents both and family, but there might be an issue like if, let's say, your mom doesn't like me, what are you going to do then? And I just don't want to go through the whole hassle and process.
Yeah. Okay, do you have any response to that?
Wish you didn't pop your balloon. But yeah, no, respect. Valid reasonings.
Okay.
So yeah.
Pero aside from that, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yeah, he's good looking. And he seems kind too.
And how about you? Type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yes.
Ay, nako. Okay, well, thank you so much. And right now, we have 1 balloon left. So please join us over here. All right. So before we proceed, I want to ask, do you have any final questions for each other? How about from your end?
Okay. So first, thank you so much for not popping my balloon. And I would just like to ask you, are you really sure?
Let me answer that with another question.
What?
I'm joking. I'm playing.
Nag-malfunction yung host. Ay.
Joke lang. Yeah. But yes, I'm sure. I'm very sure.
Okay. Well, tinanong ka na niya. So, ikaw na lang ang tatanungin ko. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yeah, I'm sure. Especially when you mentioned that you're close to your mom. Kasi one of my deal breakers is someone who's disrespectful to parents. So, yay. Glad to hear.
Alright, we have a Pusuan match! Okay, so please take each other's hand and go off into your happily ever after. Yeah! Congratulations! Here comes our next sexy single. Nag-cheer para sa...
Sabi kasi papatawanin kita ba?
Okay, hi. So, what's your name and how old are you?
Nagmula kay Alan at Mildred Aldred. 20 siyam, tubong Marikenyo. And yun lang.
Okay, akala ko meron pa eh. Okay, and what do you do for a living or anong job mo?
Data analyst sa BPO.
Okay, ano namang hobbies mo or what do you like to do for fun?
I love running, saka kumain, at minsan shopping. Pero kung walang budget, sleeping.
Okay. Ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Personality traits or physical traits?
Simple lang, no? Gusto ko lang yung nurturing, appreciative, and most importantly, may takot sa Diyos.
Okay. How about mga deal breakers mo or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
Siguro excessive partying, smoking, and
okay.
Lack of communication.
So right now, may isang nag-pop ng balloon. So let's go over there and find out kung bakit. Okay.
Ay, tara.
Hi, so what's your... Hi, so what's your name? How old are you? And anong job mo?
I'm Rose Indicano, but my friends call me Earl. I'm 29. I'm a project manager in a BPO company. So, ayun. I saw him a while ago when he entered. He did sign of the cross. I'm religious, although it's not shown on my body, pero I'm religious. I always go to the church every Sunday. It's not negotiable, or even not Sunday, maybe Monday. But at least once a week, I go to the church. But when he said that, loves partying, kasi I have this mood sometimes na I want to stay at home lang, pero I need to, kasi I'm in a band. Vocalist ako. Okay. So, hindi mawawala yung partying sa akin eh. So, ayoko na siya pahirapan. Maybe he's gonna pop naman the balloon later or whatnot. So, yeah. But I like him because he did sign of the cross a while ago and that's good. But he's cute, he's attractive. And sayang, I run pa naman. Nagsistrava ako. Sayang.
How about on your end? Anong response mo sa sinabi niya?
Sayang. Sayang.
Type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yes.
Okay, so set ka na ba doon?
Pag di nag-work, may Instagram naman eh.
Okay, so baka mamaya sa Instagram na lang. And over here, meron ding isang nag-pop ng balloon.
Hi, I'm Shane, 27 years old. My work is online casino dealer.
So bakit ka biglang nag-pop ng balloon?
Hindi ko lang feel yung vibe. Parang masyadong mataas yung energy for me. Ganon.
Okay. Do you have any response to that?
Sayang kasi match sana tayo.
Ganon ba?
Introvert ka. Ano matagalog ng extrovert? Extrovert ako. Sayang.
Okay, pero other than that, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yeah.
So, more of yung personalities, feeling mo hindi kayo magmamatch?
Yes. Introvert nga kasi ako din. Extrovert siya.
Minsan introvert din ako eh. Nag-a-adjust ako.
Nag-a-adjust naman daw pala.
Ano?
Ano pa isip? Ano? Final ka na sa decision mo?
Sige, can I get my balloon?
Okay!
Pwede pala yun.
Okay, so I'll get back to you later. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balloons left. Biglang may nagbabalak na magbalik ng balloon. Totoo ba?
Sige, I'll try.
Oh, gusto din niya magpabalik ng balloon. Okay. There you go. Okay, so now our lineup is complete again. So it's up to you. The floor is yours. I would like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Pag pinutok ko ba yung balloon, hindi na babalik.
Ikaw.
Gusto ko lang sabihin na bago ko magpaputok, it's not about you.
Ba't may tumatawa dyan sa crowd?
It's not
ng
about
balloon.
you.
Disclaimer, ng balloon. Okay.
It's not about you. It's about me. It's about me.
Okay. Uy, wag naman pataas.
Okay lang?
No.
Oh! Okay, and one more. So I'll start over here.
I'm Christelle, 26, social media manager.
Okay, ba't hindi ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Naiya ako eh.
Nahiya ka mag-pop.
Ipapop ko na din sana pa. Pero naghintay lang ako ng may tatanong siya para makapagsalita naman ako.
Kung nag-pop ka man, anong reason mo?
Hindi ko lang bet yung pananalita. Yun lang. Pero ano naman, looking good.
How about on your end? Bakit siya napili mo i-pop?
It's all about me. Gut feeling. So, yun. Kaya siya, I'm sorry and thank you for giving me a chance.
Thank you din.
Okay, and over here?
Michelle, I'm 29 and I work in an insurance company.
And ba't di ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Naghihintay lang din ako ng more about him.
Pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
He's okay. He's got a nice face. Yeah.
Okay. And how about on your end? Bakit siya napili mo i-pop?
Kanina kasi nakikipagkwentuhan ka eh.
Habang
Hindi,
nagsasalita
joke
ka ba?
lang.
Or
Siguro gut feeling lang din.
gut feeling?
Oo,
Walang
kasi
specific reason?
Lahat naman sila type ko eh. Kailangan ko
Okay.
lang talagang mag-pop ng balloon kaya I'm sorry I had to do this.
That's okay.
Okay, so I heard a pop balloon over here.
Hi, my name's Alyssa. I'm 26 and I'm a content creator.
Okay, so ba't bigla ka nag-pop ng balloon?
I feel like he's a nice guy, but too much of a nice guy for me. Because when he said that everyone's his type, they're all pretty, which is nice, but I feel like maybe you have a hard time saying the truth sometimes. It kind of gives off that feeling for me.
Anong response mo dun? Totoo ba yung sinasabi niya?
Sabi nga nila, nice guys always finish last.
Okay.
But I'm here to prove everybody wrong.
Do you have any response to that?
I'm happy for you. Go for it.
But aside from that, type mo naman ba sana siya?
I like how clean he looks. Yeah, and the way you dress up. You dress up really well.
Thank you, thank you.
How about on your end? Type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yes, yes.
Okay, pero set ka na doon. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 balloons left. So I'd like you to ask a question to help you narrow down your choice.
Unang tanong, what is the biggest misconception about you?
The biggest misconception na laging nangyayari or like the people think about me is I don't have a proper job because I have a lot of tattoos, which is not. And I didn't graduate. That's what they always say. But because I have a lot of tattoos, when I was in college, meron na akong tattoo. But yeah, I'm actually a law student, but I'm planning to finish kasi yung work ko, yung sobrang time consuming. So I stopped sa law school, but soon I will.
Hi, I'm Nicole. I'm 28 years old. I'm a freelance Facebook advertising specialist. So the most common misconception about me is that I'm quiet, shy, and timid. Ever since, bata pa ako. Pero, hindi. Hindi. Mali sila doon. Pero, ayun, friendly ako and super, friendly.
Okay.
So, yung misconception na madalas na inisip ng tao sa akin is masungit daw ako and intimidating. But it's not true. It's the face, ganon. May may subtitle lang talaga.
Okay.
Yeah. But I'm not.
Alright.
Hi, my name is Lyra, 30, HR business partner in the BPO company. So the biggest misconception about me is that same as what they've mentioned, that I am a masungit, shy type, and quiet type of a person. But if you get to know me better, I could be the craziest person that you'll know in a positive way.
So based on those answers, I would like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Lord, help me. I'm sorry. Thank you.
So let's start over here. So ba't di ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Nag-aantay pa kasi ako ng more questions na sasagutin niya. So, ayaw kasi mag-pop agad dahil lang sa few questions. So, ayun.
Okay. Pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
Sakto lang.
And how about on your end? Bakit siya yung napili mo i-pop?
Bukod sa gut feeling, feeling ko kasi hindi kami magmamatch.
Ba't naman nasabi yun?
Maybe siguro sa personality or I don't want to judge you pero
Ano bang tingin mo?
siguro yung vibe yun siguro yung reason kaya ako pinap yung balloon mo. And thank you for
Do you have any
consideration.
response to that?
Wala naman po. Fair enough.
Pero type mo naman ba sana siya aside from that vibe?
Yes, like I said lahat naman talaga sila is
Okay. And you also popped her balloon. Hi. So, ba't di ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
It's because I don't see anything yet for me to pop my balloon. But good thing then na pinop niya na yung balloon ko because bilang sobrang cheerful niya and energetic, baka may moments na hindi ako makasabay sa energy niya. Ayun.
Pero aside from his overall vibe or energy, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yeah, he is perfectly fine.
And how about on your end? Bakit siya napili mo i-pop?
Medyo na nosebleed kasi ako kanina.
Nosebleed ka sa kanya?
Tagalog.
Bakit naman daw palang ma-adjust? Tagalog na lang daw. Yun lang ba yung reason?
Yun lang yung reason, saka feeling ko hindi rin tayo magba-vibes, kagaya ng sinabi mo. Pero not all the time naman mataas ang energy ko. Sadyang talagang kailangan ko lang maging energetic today.
Do you have any response to that?
Wala naman. Just keep it up, your energy.
Thank you.
Pero type mo naman ba sana siya aside from that, yung personality difference or yung nosebleed nga?
Yes. Napakagaling nga niya magsalita, kaya compliment ko yan sa'yo.
Okay. So we have 2 balloons left. So this time, sila naman na magtatanong ng questions sa'yo to help them figure out kung tama ka bang match for them.
Where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
Patay tayo dyan.
Job interview.
Mostly kasi ako, I'm a present guy talaga eh. Naniniwala kasi ako na kung ano yung ginagawa mo sa present, the future will take care of itself.
Do you have any follow-up?
Ganda ng sagot niya. That's what I'm looking for, talagang sagot. Yeah, that's why I ask that. Present person din kasi like, parang we always need to savor the moment like real time. Parang kasi the more that you think of your future, though you have to think of it, but you don't have to like be pressured about it. Just enjoy it. Kasi sabi mo nga, it will, take care of itself. That's a nice answer.
Thank you.
All right.
Gusto ko lang malaman kung you live with your parents pa.
I'm sorry?
Kung nakatira ka pa sa parents mo, with your parents pa.
Kung close ako, or nakatira? Yes. Nakatira pa ako with my parents and kasama ko yung mga kapatid ko. And feeling ko kasi, di ba, sa ibang bansa, at certain age, kailangan na nating umalis, di ba? Raise ourselves. Pero kasi, not all the time is nabibigyan ng chance na makasama yung magulang. Kaya, hindi pa yun.
Hindi pa pala yun yung question. Akala ko din yun yung question. Hindi naman
Naiiyak na ako eh.
Meron pa palang ... Okay.
Gusto ko lang malaman kung kamusta kayo sa bahay.
Kamusta lang daw pala kayo sa bahay? Kamusta daw kayo sa bahay?
Sa bahay?
Todo defend tuloy siya sa pag-live niya sa family niya. Yung pala kakumustahin lang.
So, sa maniwala ka o sa hindi, yung Aldred na nakikita nyo ngayon is not the same na nasa bahay. Mostly kasi si mama yung kwela doon. Second lang ako. Pero sa bahay kasi mostly tahimik lang ako and may times din naman na nakikipag-bonding ako sa mga kapatid ko. Pero very rare kasi due to my work na rin and sa mga activities ko like running.
Okay, so since wala sa kanilang dalawang nag-pop ng balloon, it's up to you. The floor is yours. I'd like you to choose 1 balloon to pop.
Okay.
Okay, may nauna na for you. Okay, so let's go back over here. Hi, so, ba't bigla ka nag-pop ng balloon?
Sorry, medyo kasi ako, kaya ako tinanong kanina kung kamusta kayo sa bahay. Like, gusto ko lang malaman kung how you connect with your family. Especially sa parents mo, sa siblings mo. Kasi, for me, nagre-reflect talaga siya in the future. Especially on how you treat your partner kasi. So, like what he said kasi, like, he's busy, don't have time na makipag-bond sa family niya. I mean, for me, if you can make time naman siguro.
Do you have any response to that?
Siyempre. Pwede pa ba ibalik yung balon niya?
Let's see kung makonvince mo siya.
So, I'm very close to my mom. So, mama's boy talaga ako. So, kaming dalawa talaga ang close. And then, yung bonding namin with the family is, ginagawa ko siya kapag may Marvel movies.
Okay.
So, tinitreat ko sila, lumalabas kami, nood kami ng movies together. And yun. That's our bonding talaga with my family. So, hindi lang ako puro self-improvement. So, ini-improve ko rin yung relationship ko, not only with God, but also with my family. Kasi, di ba, family is my foundation of happiness. Kaya, yun lang yung rebat ko sa sagot niya.
Do you have any response to that?
Okay, that's good to hear, pero I'm not gonna get my money.
Dahil ba Marvel movies lang sila nag-hangout? Kapag walang labas na Marvel movie, hindi kayo nag-hangout? Yun ba yun?
Hindi naman.
Okay. Alright. Pero type mo naman sana siya outside of all that.
Yeah, okay naman.
Thank you.
Okay. Alright. Well, thank you so much. So since we have one balloon left, please join us over here. Oo nga bigla. Baka meant to be talaga. Okay, so before we proceed, do you have any final questions for each other? Ikaw, meron ka ba?
Ilang anak gusto mo?
Wait lang
Kasi sa family namin, marami kami magkakamatid and I'm the youngest. So, yung ikaw bilang lalaki, ilan anak ang gusto mo? Parang the number that you can, yung realistic, makakapag-provide ka. Kasi, I'm a provider din Pero, of course, we have to, pag partners kayo, dapat, you're always partners talaga. Whether it's financial, emotional, or, spiritual. So, ikaw, ilan anak gusto mo? Kasi ako gusto ko madami.
As long as na mabigyan mo ako ng Aldred Jr., we're good.
Okay. Meron ka pa bang follow-up or okay ka na?
How about marriage?
Siyempre, naniniwala ako sa marriage, di ba? Importante yon, and in the right time, no, kapag kaya ng budget natin, why not?
Last na. Ilang months ka ng single?
Actually, hindi months Years na.
Okay, sige.
Okay, and how about on your end? Meron ka pa bang final question para sa kanya?
Wala naman, may gusto lang akong sabihin sa kanya.
Okay.
Alam mo, takot ako sa baka.
Sa?
Baka.
Baka. Oh no, this is gonna be a
na baka mapunta ka sa iba.
May response ka ba doon?
Takot din ako sa baka.
Bakit?
Baka pagpalit mo ako sa iba.
Lumalaban. Okay, so, tatanungin ko na kayo, Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Kasi first, diba, I popped the balloon and then I thought, baka naman pwede ka pa siyang bigyan ng chance. So, andito na ako, why not ituloy? Unless he wants to pop the balloon.
Okay, well, let's ask. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Sure na sure.
Okay! Heaven was on match! Okay, so you can take each other's hand and go off into your happily ever after. Congratulations! Holding hands! Here comes our next sexy single. Hi! Hello, so what's your name and how old are you?
Hello, I'm Jan. I'm 28 years old.
Okay, and what do you do for a living or anong job mo?
My job is, I'm a third officer in a passenger ship.
Okay, and ano namang hobbies mo or what do you like to do for fun?
My current hobbies are doing mixed martial arts, adventure, and going to the gym. Also, reading books sometimes.
Okay. Ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Pwedeng personality or physical traits?
More on a family-oriented woman and has a good background, also respectful.
Okay. And ano namang mga deal breakers mo? Or pag nalaman mong gato yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
A disrespectful woman. That's all.
Okay. So right now, wala pa nagpa-pop ng balloon sa ating lineup. So the floor is yours. I'd like you to choose one balloon to pop, just based on what you're seeing right now. Katawa.
Actually, they're all beautiful. I'm sorry, but you're the first one here.
All right, so let's go over here. Hi, so what's your name? How old are you? And anong job mo?
I'm Cristel, 26. I'm a social media manager.
Okay, and ba't di ka nagpapagad ng balloon?
Ayokong ako yung una mag-pop.
Okay. Pero balak mo naman mag-pop?
Oo.
Okay. Anong reason, if ever?
Yung vibe lang.
Wala namang specific thing about him?
Wala naman.
So, hindi mo siya type or type mo naman ba sana siya physically?
Okay lang.
Okay. And how about on your end? Ba't siya yung napili mo i-pop?
Close to me. Pero no offense.
So, yung distance lang, yung proximity
Yes.
lang.
That's all.
Alright. Pero type mo naman ba sana siya kung hindi siya yung malapit dito?
Yeah, if I could get to know her more better.
Do you still have any response to that?
Wala na. Okay na.
Okay, all right. Well, thank you so much. So right now, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons left. So I'd like you to ask a question to help you narrow down your choice.
Okay. Current question is, what values do you have?
Okay, so let's start over here.
Hi, I'm Nicole. I'm 28 years old. I'm a freelance Facebook advertising specialist. So sa values that I have, so I'm respectful, I'm family-oriented. So, isa din yun sa super important din sa akin when it comes to looking for a guy. So, dapat family-oriented din kasi, you know. Tapos, I always go to the church. Important sa akin na ganun din yung potential partner.
Hi, my name's Alyssa. I'm 26 and I'm a content creator. I think one of my best values, and a lot of people say this about me, is that I'm patient. So I'm able to take in a lot of things and wait for things patiently if I truly want something in my life.
I'm Shane. I'm 27 years old. I'm an online casino dealer. The values that I have is yung sa bahay, we usually have dinner together as much as we can. So we can share how our day was, ganon. And also to treat the social workers nicely.
Hi, my name is Lyra, 30, HR business partner in a BPO company. So for me, the values that I have is that I'm generous, I'm people pleaser, maybe negative na yun, no? If you get to please someone just to like you, and then I know what is right, of course. So that would be all.
Hi, I'm Michelle. I'm 29 and I work in an insurance company.
And yung answer mo sa question niya?
Siguro my values are honesty, transparency, at saka yung community, select community, and also, sorry, nakalimutan ko isa.
No pressure.
Ayun lang muna siguro. Okay. Yeah, I'll get back to you.
All right, more later. So based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop. Okay, and one more. All right, let's go over here. So ba't di ka nagpapagad ng balloon?
Actually, kanina gusto kong magtanong kasi hindi ko masyadong narinig yung job niya. So, ano ulit yung job mo?
Third Navigational Officer.
So, sa barko.
Passenger ship.
Barko yun. So, LDR. So, if natanong ka siya, ipop yung balloon. Yeah, kasi yung dad ko kasi is a seaman. So, I don't wanna experience LDR kahit sa family.
Pero kung hindi doon, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Hindi.
Anong reason mo for that?
Just the vibe. We can't force connection naman kasi talaga.
So, wala lang spark for you. Okay, and how about on your end? Bakit siya napili mo ipop? Pinagpawisan tuloy after nila mag-pop lahat.
I was pressured.
Okay.
I could also feel na parang nailang talaga.
Okay. So, wala namang specific.
Pero, no problem naman.
Okay. Yung isa mo pang pin-up over here. Hi. So, bakit di ka nagpapagad ng balloon?
I just waited for him first to pop my balloon. But the thing is, siguro eventually magpo-pop din ako kung hindi niya naunahan because kasing baba niya yung boses ng ex ko. Oh. He just reminds me of my ex.
Okay. But aside from that, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Hindi ko rin medyo ma-feel yung vibe.
Is there any specific reason why?
Nothing in specific.
Okay. And how about on your end? Ba't siya napili mo i-pop?
No particular reason, pero feel ko naman maganda din yung intentions niya.
Okay.
Di lang talaga kami nagtutugma.
Okay. So, hindi mo siya type in that way?
Yes.
Okay. Walang specific reason. Okay. So, sino yung mga nag-pop kanina ng balloon? So, ba't ka biglang nag-pop ng balloon?
Simple reason. I also dated a merchant marine officer back then. LDR. It didn't work for me talaga.
Pero type mo naman pa sana siya kung hindi LDR yung setup?
Yeah, he's pretty good looking. He's decent. Seems like a decent guy.
Okay. How about on your end? May response ka ba sa sinabi niya na reason?
As long naman. Like, I've been through a LDR before, and as long as both of you are doing your own part, you can already
make it work.
Yes, make it through.
So okay naman sana sa'yo na LDR pa rin yung setup?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any response to that?
No, it's okay. But yeah, I really can't deal with LDR. I need to see, and I need to I need to be able to see my partner in person every once in a while.
Pero type mo naman ba sana siya kung di siya nag-pop?
Yes.
Okay, final ka na dun? Okay, well, thank you so much. And you also popped your balloon. Hi, so ba't ka bigla nag-pop ng balloon?
Same lang, LDR. Di talaga mag-work sa akin yung LDR. Kasi ang gusto ko nakikita yung partner, ganun. Ayoko nang may iniisip and yung feeling na parang may namimiss ka laging tao. Kasi parang may kulang. Yun. And hindi ko kasi feel yung vibe. Feeling ko parang he's too nice for me.
Okay. So, hindi mo siya type in that way because you feel like he's too nice for you?
Yes.
Ano bang type mo?
Yung yung mukhang lolokohin. Charot.
Okay. Pero ayaw mong may iniisip ka. Okay.
Hindi, joke lang. It's the, yung, basta yung vibe, parang, basta yung vibe. Medyo, kasi, very nice tignan.
Okay. How about on your end? May response ka ba sa sinabi niya?
Okay lang naman maging nice.
Oh, okay
as long as you're a nice person.
Okay. Pero type mo naman ba sana siya kung di siya nag-pop?
Yes. Lahat kayo type ko.
Okay. And lastly, hi. So, ba't ka biglang nag-pop ng balloon?
I guess same reason lang din. Well, I was waiting na hahaba pa yung part, but ayoko na ding pahabain.
So, because of LDR din?
Yes. Nag-agree ako dun sa sinabi mo na pwedeng mag-work kung kung pares nyong ginagawa yung part nyo. But for me kasi, although hindi ko pa naman experience yung LDR in the past, parang it's too much work for me. So, baka, sa ibang girls, they can work on it. But sa akin parang I don't wanna risk it. And I don't do well with long distance. And same with the other girls. Gusto ko din na nararamdaman ko yung partner ko. Yes, parang ganon.
Pero type mo naman ba sana siya if not for the LDR setup?
I'm not physically attracted, but he's nice. Yeah, yung vibe niya nice. More like a friend. Yeah.
And how about from your end? Do you have any response sa mga sinabi niya?
Almost all agree and yun lang. Wala namang negative comments.
Okay. Pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. Well, unfortunately, wala tayong match for today. Pero thank you so much for joining. I hope you enjoyed. And I hope you can join us again for our next episodes. Thank you.
Thank you.
And that has been our show. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more of our episodes. Join us again next time for more Pusoan or Laruan!
Tuwing nag-iisa akong gustong makasama, ning sawa ka na biglang hahanap ng